Hello, my name is Julia and I'll help you get started on Mail2easy. In this presentation, you're going to learn how to create and import your subscribers list, create a campaign model, send your first campaign, and understand your reports. Let's start by creating and importing your subscribers list. This is the home page when you log in your Mail2easy account. Here, you have a shortcut to import subscribers, or you can enter the subscribers menu and click on Import Subscribers. In this example, our import format will be by file upload. And this is the file to be uploaded. The information are set in columns for name, email, and city, and each row has the information of a single subscriber. After we find our file in the computer and upload it into the system, we can go to the next step, when we set the structure of the file relating the information to the fields in the system. As you can see, the column name is already related to the field name in the system, just as well as the column email, but city is not yet selected. So we can create a new field to fill our information by clicking the Create New button. Here you can give a field title and the type, if it's simple text, if it's numeric, if it's a date. On the third step, you can create a new tag or use one that has already been created to segment your audience in smaller groups. After we finish this step, our import is successfully added. There are other ways to import your subscribers, for example by text, where you copy and paste the emails. There is also a way to import from an FTP or cloud drives, for example Dropbox or Google Drive, or from a third-party application, when you can use any system listed on the Zapier platform. Now that your subscribers have been imported, we can start creating a campaign model. First, you enter on the Campaigns menu on the left, and then you click on Models. Here, you can start editing the new template. There are many options for content origin, for example, based on an existing template or from an URL, but here we're going to use the drag and drop email editor. You start by choosing a type you want to use, if 1, 2, or 3 columns. And then you can edit each of the blocks. For example, let's start editing the image block by double-clicking on it, and menu on the left will show. And if you click on Add Image, the gallery will open. Here, you can choose any picture you want from your computer to put it on the gallery and use it in your campaign. You can also add different blocks with 1, 2, or 3 columns. And in them, you can add images, text, or buttons that will redirect your subscriber to any link you want, for example, your website. You just have to drag the elements on the left and drop them on the blocks on the right. Like here, for example, we're using social media, where you have 2 options, the Follow Us and the Share. On the image, you can see the Follow Us option, where you choose what social media you want to use. You complete your page address, and your subscriber, after clicking on it, will be redirected to your page so he can follow you. You also have the choice to preview your image before your email before finishing, so you can view it on a computer or on a mobile. After that, you just have to save and your model will be ready. Now, you can send your first campaign. After you choose a saved template, you put your mouse over it and a menu will show. After clicking on Send Template, you are redirected to the creation of your campaign. Here, you're going to select the audience that's going to receive your email, for example, by tag. The tag we're using is customers, so only the subscribers that are in the customers tag are going to receive this email. You can also create a series. For example, if you have many emails about ebooks, you can create a series that's called ebooks, and all the emails are going to be grouped together. If you click on the Add Series button, you can give it a new name and create it right here. You also have to name this campaign, but only for internal organization, because your subscribers are not going to see this name. About the campaign type, there are 2. The standard campaign that we're going to use here, or the A/B test, or you can send multiple versions of your email to watch the metrics. On the second step are the information that your subscriber will see, for example, the subject of the email. That can be customized with his first name, his email, his city, or maybe emojis. You also have to set the sender's name, the sender's email, and maybe a different reply to email that will receive the replies your subscriber sent. The content origin is our previously edited message. On the third step, we have the system checks for your configurations on your domain and a deliverability preview that shows your probable score on anti-spam tools. Also on the third step, you can check the links of your campaign and if they are fully functional. On the fourth step, we have the interactions, for example, opt-out options, that are the way your subscriber will unsubscribe if so he wishes. You can choose the unconfirmed, where your subscriber has only to click and he will be unsubscribed, with confirmation, where he has to confirm his email, or with reasons that you previously set on your account and he has to choose from one of them. The social media interactions are if you want to post your campaign on Facebook or Twitter. And on the last step, you can send an email test, for example, for your own email to check how your subscribers are going to receive. It's going to come with the name test in front of it. You can also preview your message on different devices. For example, here we chose iPhone 6, Outlook 2010, and Gmail from Chrome. So we download the three of them, and if we choose iPhone 6, you can check how your subscriber with this cell phone will view your message. After that, you only have to click the green button and send your email. After your email has been sent, we need to understand our reports. So after we open the report, we have the general information, for example, the subject, the sender, when was it sent on. And right underneath it, we have the delivery and performance graphs that shows the successful deliveries, email openings, clicks, unsubscribes, spam complaints, or bounced emails. You can also view these informations as a funnel. The second tab in the report are subscribers, where you can see your whole audience, the ones that opened, click, bounces, and unsubscribes with their names and emails. You can also check the behavior by chronology of the time they opened and clicked your email, the click map that shows the most clicked links by relevance and by number of clicks, browse tracking, that you can see the pages your subscribers viewed after he was redirected to your website, unsubscribes with reasons, for example, and the devices your subscribers opened your email. You also have the links in your message, the ones for sharing and the ones for follow us, the domains that were most sent to, the ones that most opened, and the ones that most have bounces. By geolocation, from the ISP receiving the email, you can view it worldwide, by country, or clicking even more, by state. And you can check the bounces with the explanation of each one of them, if it was an anti-spam blocking, an unknown bounce, an invalid account. And all invalid accounts and invalid domains are permanently taken from your audience, so they don't keep on receiving your emails because they are invalid. Now you know the first steps to using Mail2easy: how to create and import your subscribers list, how to create a campaign model, how to send your first campaign, and to understand your reports. If you need any help, we are available at support@dynamize.com. Feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.